Well, good morning, everybody. It's a little bit of a chilly morning. Fort St. John's. Spent the night at the Community Forest Park. Community Forest. Anyways, it's the start of a bunch of trails. There's a little parking lot here. It's not very level, but I'm in a couple leveling blocks. That was fine. And yeah, we hunkered down for the night. Today we've got 6 hours of driving to Lake Murno. I don't know. I'll have to put it up on the bottom. I'm gonna say it wrong. Haven't had a lot of coffee yet this morning, so we're not firing on all cylinders yet. But yeah, that's what we got on the docket today. 6 hours of driving. It's gonna be one of our longest days of driving. Our whole plan is to only do about four-ish hours a day of driving, and then just stop and see where we are. Various things to do along the way. We'll do the big long drives on the way back, because by then we're probably going to be pretty tired. We hope to be hitting Tuktoyaktuk on the 12th. That's the plan, and that is 9 days from now. So anyways, first up, get some Timmies, gas up, hit the road. Keeps focusing on the mirror, not the rabbit. There we go, I got it.
So it's a couple hours later than you probably wanted to get going.
Oh, it's all good. We made her. Well, morning, guys. We woke up at Racing River, near Toad River. Drove an hour, and now we're at the Double G service. We ran into Preet in Fort St. John's. He highly recommended the cinnamon buns here, so here we are. Let's go check it out. Sure smells good in here.
Probably the most photographed thing there.
Yeah. Yeah. So yeah, Preet, you were absolutely right. Breakfast here at the Double G is amazing. Yeah, one breakfast, you're going to feed yourself probably for 2 days at least. Very big servings. So you get the sign and the... Go over here and get the sign. There we are, Double G service. Highly recommended. That cinnamon bun was just way too much, but so good. Time to hit the road. We're off to Watson Lake. Got a little camp spot next to Laird. The last time I was up this way, that's where I camped, so we're gonna see if it's available for the night and still beautiful.
I was looking at the sign from back there and I thought, is that it? Is that it? It just looks, it blends in.
Yeah,
with,
blends in.
what's happened.
Yeah, they need to paint the letters again.
Paint.
You got 3?
2.
Well, I'm just videotaping. Well, we almost drove right past the Yukon sign. Like, I mean, they need to paint those letters. If it wasn't for all the stickers, I wouldn't have stopped. But there's what it looks like from the road. You can't tell. Not for my van, but I do have stickers. Oh, here. Videotape it for you so you can put it up on your channel. Yeah. It's yours now. Here, pose beside it, I'll get a photo of you. I know this place. That's cool. This one's from Creighton, Saskatchewan. That's right next to Flin Flon. Yeah, right next to Denair, where I'm from, or where I had my house anyway. I don't know, you guys know, like, the main entrance is right over there with the sign and everything. You want to pose for a picture.
Oh, okay. Where's fine? Ready?
Yeah. Wow, that's incredible.
Hooray, I Overlander. Hooray, I Overlander. Say it right. Yeah, well, free camping like this, you beat it. Well, that signpost forest is pretty cool. Donna got to put up her little sign for Donna's road trips. You can check out her channel for her perspective of that whole little segment of the trip. But after that, we just went up the road a little bit. I think about a 10-15 minute drive, and right before a bridge is Upper Laird River, which is what you're seeing now. And there's a nice little spot where you can camp. A couple little spots there. There's another, I think, 2 rigs set up there when we were there that night. But you can't beat Overlander. If you guys aren't using it in your van life, you're kind of crazy. So anyways, guys, the adventure will continue next time as we head off further on our road to Tuktoyaktuk. But until then, like I always say, guys, stay safe. Get out there, have yourself some fun, and definitely go have an adventure. All right, till next time.